In this part, we are going to toggle the favorite. So if the original is favorite, then we want to set it to the unfavorite and vice versa. So we go to the db.js, and inside this content container, we are going to check the target text content. So again, we copy this. If the text content is equal to star border, which means it hasn't selected as favorite, so we are going to set it as favorite. So we also need to get the ID, so we copy this and paste it here, and then we set the content is equal to favorite true, because we just need to update the properties favorite, so we do not need to add the name and phone's properties. So we use db.collections and contacts dot id dot update contact, and then we duplicate this one. And if the text content is equal to star, then we want to set this as false. And here we want to check if the change.type is modified. If this is modified, we want to update the contact. We also need to pass the data and also the ID. So now we are going to create these functions. So we go to ui.js, we create a constant update contact is equal to data ID, and then we also need to get the contact, and then we need to change the data, and we need to change the text inside the contact. So we use contact query selector, and we have the class of name. If you remember, we have the class of name and class of phone, and then we use .inner HTML is equal to data.name, and then we also need to change the phone, which is data.phone, and then contact.query selector or, and then .material icon, and then we pass the index 1.inner HTML equal to, we will check the data.favorite. If this is true, then we are going to set it as a star. Otherwise, we set it as a star border, which is a empty star. I just found there is a problem that we should not use inner HTML here. We should use text content. And also there's a spelling mistake, so we should use border, not border. So now we go to unregister the service worker and also clear the site data, and then refresh. Now this time the favorite is true, and when we click on the star again, you can see the favorite is false, and it already changed to a empty star here.